Hello, YouTube. I'm Vince White. That's a cat. I'm an employment attorney. On this channel, we answer publicly posted questions from YouTube users, getting folks the answer they need from an employment attorney. We have a question here from YouTube user Country Boy. Thank God you are. Referencing the song, obviously. I have a question. Oh, Country Boy asks us, I have a random question. Do other attorneys research other attorneys in reference to going to trial, just to see how many cases the opposing counsel has won? So, yes, but no. Firms research firms, and attorneys research firms. So, the attorney you're dealing with today on a given case might not be the attorney who tries it. Often firms will have set attorneys who do trial work. So it's not like the defense counsel is looking at the plaintiff's attorney with the full expectation that that individual working on the case today is the one who's going to try it. They will very much expect that attorney working on the case today to be at the table during trial, to be supporting the trial attorney, to have built the case up for the trial attorney. But there's a really good chance in most parts of the country that the attorney working on the case today, let's say like discovery or negotiations, whatever it is, might not be the attorney who tries the case later. It matters. It's not so much about their win-loss rate, although that's meaningful. People do look at that. It's more about the firm's willingness to take cases to trial. Often a firm's willingness to take cases to trial can greatly impact the quality of negotiations, the tenor of negotiations, I guess, and the ultimate settlement offers that are made, right? If you know a firm will take their cases to trial, you need to value that case as if it could go to trial, because you expect that it might if you don't get the case settled, and the cost of trial for your client could be tremendous, right? So that's very meaningful, and it's important for firms to know and to advise their defense clients about, because the last thing they want is to turn a case they could have settled for, I don't know, 80 grand and have it cost their client 200 grand in attorney's fees or more, right? That would be a nightmare. So yeah, I mean, people look up and get a feel for, who wins what and how often so-and-so wins, and is so-and-so as great as so-and-so says he is. But it's more about like, whoa, this firm funds cases. This firm does trials. If cases don't settle, this firm will take them to trial. And that's a very meaningful thing, probably much more meaningful than a given trial attorney's win-loss rate. It's hard to extrapolate from an attorney's win-loss rate. You don't know the quality of cases that attorney had. You don't know why they won loss. Listen, an attorney could have the best case in the world, and if their client gets on the stand and is kind of like just happily testifying, and then looks over the jury and is like, I'd like to kill all your children. Well, it's a decent chance that attorney's not going to win that case, right? Also a decent chance that case is probably going to have to get a new jury. But you know what I mean, right? Like it's not just attorneys who win and lose cases. Their work in prepping the clients and in trying the case is invaluable and incredibly important. But the win-loss rate, there's a lot of things that come into play there, right? So I hope this was helpful. If it was, like, subscribe, comment down below. Helps me to help more people just like you.